Today we'll be talking about fossil fuel usage and why it's problematic. So what are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are made up of ancient plants and plankton and other such things which have been in the ground for millions of years and have decomposed and or been compressed to create things such as natural gas, oil, and coal. And these days, we burn fossil fuels to produce energy, and now we burn over 4,000 times the amount of fossil fuels than we did back in 1776. Now, what happens when we burn fossil fuels? We create CO2, and this is problematic because since we're using much more than we ever used to, this disrupts the natural balance of things. And this production of CO2 affects greenhouse gases. But to the extent that we're affecting greenhouse gases, we are negatively impacting climate change. And so we are warming up the climate and we're warming up the planet and changing the climate of our planet, which affects things like the weather, such as precipitation. There's less precipitation, we might have more droughts and other such things, which will negatively affect habitats that will rapidly change, and species will not be able to adapt quickly enough because we are disrupting the natural order and things are changing at a faster pace than they ever would. And all of these species dying negatively affects biodiversity, which is why we need to stop using fossil fuels to the extent that we're using them now, in that they increase climate change and disrupt the natural order.